for you because demand is come back, festival season is around the corner, and also you are in the middle of new launches?
So I would say that we are comfortable overall, but not to a point where we feel that the problem is behind us. We still see this impacting some potential numbers. At this point in time, it's reasonably fine, but with the new launches and with the growth that will come in, it may impact some numbers if we don't get adequate supplies. So we're working with our suppliers right now. At this time, we don't see any potential crisis, but we don't see ourselves completely out of the woods as yet.
Co-powered by Century Ply, आग से बचाए। Co-powered by 99acres.com, 99acres.com दे सबसे ज्यादा verified properties। The voice that instills trust.
My experience, based on what I've done in the last 20 years, these are the times where you don't panic, and if you stay committed to your financial planning, you will be rewarded. The bulls are saying, look, this is markets which are telling you that the future will be much brighter than what the past was.
Trigger, and what's the move we've seen? Vivek Iyer joins us with that.
Well, the entire real estate pack was in focus yesterday as most of the stocks were in a positive momentum and saw strong price moves. Now, what's actually happened is that despite the fact that we've seen so many setbacks for the real estate space, there continues to be some positive triggers due to which you're actually seeing the stock market reward these companies and investors of these particular companies. What's actually happening, we've done a deep dive into what exactly is driving the momentum as far as the real estate space is concerned. Number one, in a lot of analyst meet, in a lot of conference calls held by the managements of various real estate companies, there have been some key takeaways that we've managed to gather. Number one, there continues to remain strong demand. Affordability comes in at an all-time high at this particular time, given housing loan interest rates are quite low, as well as you're seeing industry consolidation amongst the listed players, which is ensuring that supply at this point of time is not in an oversupply zone, rather it is at the right amount. Also, what you're seeing is that fundamentally most of the companies are targeting strong cash flow generation and are aiming to further reduce their net debt levels, thereby strengthening their balance sheet, which was not the case